Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and going directly to the sheet with the columns you want to hide. Click a column header to select it. If you need several adjacent columns, drag across their headers. Once done, hold Ctrl and click additional non-adjacent headers to add them to your selection. Make sure the correct headers are highlighted so you don't hide the wrong data. This immediate selection step sets up everything else. Doing it carefully prevents accidental data concealment later. Now hide the selected columns using your preferred method. Right-click any highlighted header and choose Hide. That context menu option is clear and precise. Alternatively, press Ctrl+0 as a fast keyboard shortcut. This is handy when you hide columns repeatedly. If you prefer the ribbon, go to Home, Format, then Hide and Unhide and pick Hide Columns. Each method performs the same action. Choose what fits your workflow. Once hidden, the sheet layout updates immediately, but the data remains intact behind the hidden columns. To reveal columns, select the headers on both sides of the hidden area, then right-click and choose Unhide. This restores visibility instantly. If Unhide appears grayed out, use Home, Format, Hide, and Unhide, then Unhide Columns. Sometimes the ribbon bypasses UI quirks. If that still fails, check for grouped columns or sheet protection. Ungroup or remove protection as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: verify column width isn't set to 0 instead of hidden. Set width manually to recover a column that seems invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.